Hello everyone, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Saint Laurent haul. So I did pick up a few items, so I just wanted to show everyone what I got. So if you're interested in seeing videos like this, definitely leave a like, subscribe, and maybe comment something else that you'd like to see me review. I may or may not purchase it. So if you want to see everything, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the smallest to the biggest. And so the first item I have here is the monogram zip card case in grain something else embossed leather. This was about $750 CAD. So it is a tri-fold wallet. So you see it does have the nice chevron pattern and it has that nice hardware. It also has like a zip that you can put like coins and stuff in. I have been using this ever since I got it. You can also keep cash in this part as well. And this is really, really nice. It comes in other colors. They have it like in a tan, in a maroon, and in a cream color. But I mean, you'll quickly see in these videos that I really love black. So everything will almost be black, right? Yeah, it came in this one here. So you get it with the I guess the price card. I didn't even open this. Another card. Well, I guess I'll open it. That's what these videos are about. Can I? No, I'm not opening that. And then this card here. And I guess just a receipt. Alright. And then it also comes in this little pouch here. And so that's the first one. The next item we have is a clutch. This one is the Uptown pouch in grain, more words, embossed leather, and this retails for about $725 Canadian. Gold hardware. I call it a clutch, but Saint Laurent calls it a pouch. It's legit a pouch. Nothing really goes in there except like your phone, like on a night out, right? Last but not least, it is the Saint Laurent Sunset medium in frock. Absolutely love this bag. It is embossed and in shiny leather, and this retails for about 3,500 Canadian. It also comes in different colors like maroon, cream, olive, and so this one is in the silver hardware. People said that it's like super heavy and kind of like annoying to like wear like this. I would have to agree. It has an opening on the back, and inside it feels like a suede material almost. And inside as well, it just has a flap in the front, that same suede material, and two flaps in here. And in here I just have another travel perfume. This is the YSL Leap. That's funny that this is in here and it's a YSL haul. Yeah, and this is the final bag. That is everything I picked up from Saint Laurent. I want to say I'm 10 out of 10 thrilled with this haul. I won't be returning anything. I have yet to wear the pouch, but then again, I feel like for this pouch I need a reason to wear this pouch. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. See ya.